What is steam humidifier and its maintenance? The AprilAire 800 steam humidifier is known for its efficient performance in providing whole-home humidity control. It uses steam to add moisture to the air, which can be particularly effective in areas with very dry climates or during the winter months when indoor air tends to be drier. It's often praised for its ability to maintain consistent humidity levels and for its reliability. The AprilAire 800 steam humidifier utilizes a canister to generate steam for adding moisture to the air. Over time, minerals and other impurities in the water can accumulate within the canister. This buildup can affect the efficiency and performance of the humidifier in several ways. 1. Reduced steam output. Accumulated minerals can clog the canister's openings, restricting the flow of water and steam. This can result in reduced steam output, leading to lower humidity levels in the home. 2. Decreased effectiveness. As the canister becomes increasingly clogged, the humidifier may struggle to produce enough steam to adequately humidify the air. This can result in dryness and discomfort in the indoor environment. 3. Potential damage. If mineral deposits are left unchecked, they can cause damage to the internal components of the humidifier, such as the heating element or water level sensors. This can lead to malfunctions and costly repairs. 4. Poor air quality. Mineral buildup in the canister can also lead to the release of impurities into the air, potentially compromising indoor air quality. To maintain optimal performance and efficiency, it's essential to replace the canister periodically according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This helps ensure that the humidifier continues to operate effectively, providing consistent humidity levels and prolonging the lifespan of the unit. Call our team of plumbing professionals near you for free estimates for installation and proper management of your full house humidifier system. Phone 224-754-1984.